T. They just see the fame and the name on the street. They don't care to claim us on the trains and the sea. Shorty look good, but she trainin' looking feet. We make it look good if it came from the fleet. Once your mind gets free, it really ain't no feat. The coconut oil starts replacing the grease. Mortgage and beach, but a place that is leased. See how it feels through an Airbnb, cause it's by how I feel. Inhale how I breathe. Not being in hell or you saving me a seat. Can't break them free if they don't see a chain. But you can give them a key to unlock their brain, to not remain. They ain't true locks of pain. Self-generate the love that you too often gave. Bright lights for the show. Always cold feet in the tunnel. Oh. Open up your windows. Can't you smell the rain before it starts to fall down? Every day depends on you. Trust that you're gonna make do. Adjust to the wind, make moves. Every wake up, start anew. Savings, new vehicle, new state of mind, new you, new inside, new boundaries, new soul tribe, new you. The world is your stage, so play the role. Today's another page, gon' get your story told. If you show your bright light, make sure it gets sold. The fortune is raised and paid by the bold. Or that gold gets saved, that's for the cold. Same goes for the soul, but you still pay the toll. The lane gon' troll when you aim for a goal. Don't complain and get old, take the chain off and go. It be the same ones who say they never hate, that look disappointed when you celebrate. Schedule an appointment and they show up hella late. If they show at all, Mr. Mrs. Know-It-All. Never show up when you call, but they show up when you fall. To confirm and gloat how you don't go and ball. But keep them out your business and watch the spirit do. Everybody can't go where the things are made anew. Bright lights for the show. Always cold feet in the tunnel. Oh. Open up your windows, can't you smell the rain before it starts to fall down? Every day depends on you. Trust that you're gonna make do. Adjust to the wind, make moves. Every wake up, start anew. Savings, new vehicle,